Hello guys, let's get straight to the point on how to use the Hostinger VPS coupon code 2026. As you can see, this is proof that you're getting the Hostinger VPS hosting discount. So let's get into the video. First, click the Hostinger VPS coupon code 2026 link in this video description. Next, choose the hosting type you need. For this tutorial, I am choosing VPS hosting. Now you can see the available VPS plan options. Take your time and select the plan that best matches your needs. Once you've reviewed the plans, click the Choose Plan button. Next is the order summary page. Here, choose a billing period of 1, 12, or 24 months. The 24-month option offers the best value, and you'll also receive a free domain for 1 year. Now, scroll down and choose a server location that is closest to you or your audience for optimal performance. Next, in the order summary, you can see the 20% referral discount. This Hostinger VPS hosting discount is available because you're using my link. Now, click the Continue button. Enter your email address and create a password. Once completed, you'll be redirected to the payment page. Complete the payment and you'll receive a confirmation email. That's it. You have successfully claimed the Hostinger VPS coupon code 2026 deal using the coupon link. It's a simple process that takes only about 2 minutes. Enjoy your VPS hosting. Thanks for purchasing.